morning. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Well, summertime is almost here. The sun is starting to shine more often. The weather's getting warmer. You know what happens then, don't you? Ice cream trucks start rolling around. Who doesn't like ice cream? You scream, I scream, we all scream for ice cream. But you know what? Maybe the ice cream truck doesn't roll right past your house. Maybe you just don't feel like going and waiting in line for that soft-served ice cream. That's okay. You can have it at home. That's right, you can make your own soft-served ice cream right in your own house. It is actually easier than you think. I'll tell you what. Let me show you how to make it. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, to start off our homemade ice cream project, we're going to start with 3 cups of heavy cream. We're going to add to that 2 cups of sugar. I'd also like to say that I included 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and that is to help stave off some of the sweetness of the sugar. Okay, I believe the sugar is dissolved. I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. Okay, so we're going to divide this ice cream mixture into 2 equal amounts. 1/2 will be for vanilla, 1/2 will be for chocolate. And now for the chocolate ice cream, I'm going to take 1/3 of a cup cocoa. And we're going to take and add a little bit of the ice cream mixture to the cocoa. We're going to stir that around until we have a nice paste. Now the reason we stir it around, we make a paste out of it first, because otherwise the cocoa will actually clump in the center of the ice cream and it won't dissolve correctly. And now we'll pour this into the ice cream mixture. I'm going to strain the chocolate through some cheesecloth to make sure that we get rid of the clumps. Okay, so I'm back with some thinner cheesecloth. Let's see if that worked out a little bit better. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to our next stage of the ice cream making. I'm going to cover this up. This is actually an old Cool Whip container. I'm going to cover this up with the lid. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to take some saran and just cover this one up for now, so that we can put this in the refrigerator and let it cool properly. Okay, so the ice cream mixture has been chilling for several hours, more than several hours. Should be plenty chilled here. I'm going to try to whip this up. Let's try my whipped method. Okay, so I'm going to cover this up, put a small piece of parchment paper over the top layer, and then I'm going to put my fancy covering on top of this. There you go. So now it's time to do the same thing to the chocolate. I'm going to pour this into one of the container here. And now let's pour it back into the original whipped cream container. Show you my little trick to make my soft serve ice cream, chocolate and vanilla. I'm probably going to have to move pretty quick here because it's cold and I want to keep it cold. I'm going to wrap this up very carefully, guys. Man, I've been waiting for this all day. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.